Hi,
Hello,
how are you?
I'm fine. And what about you?
I'm good, thank you. What is your name?
My name is Saber Chowdhury. You called me Saber.
Saber?
Yeah, yeah. And with my friends, his name is Fahim. Hi.
Fahim?
Fahim,
Hi, nice to meet you both.
open your mic, please. Hi. And
Hi.
his name is Fahim. He's my friend. Actually,
Fahim.
he want to about Cambly.
Mm-hmm.
And I am suggest him Cambly is an international app which we are practice English.
Yeah, yeah,
If
exactly.
if we are wanna good at in English, we can choose Cambly app because it's a very good app for speaking English, especially. That's why I am suggest him.
Yeah.
Please about this app. How much important and how much effective this app?
Yeah, I think it's really great for people who don't live in countries where they can easily speak in English,
Uh,
because there are so many tutors from so many places. So you can talk with people I'm from Canada, but also Australia, the Netherlands, wherever. Um, and it's nice because you get to meet people and learn about other countries and cultures. So it's good for me too.
yeah.
Yeah.
So we are just sitting. We are just sitting in front shop. Uh,
Yeah. Where are you?
we are from Bangladesh.
Ah, okay, cool. Very nice. I've never been to Bangladesh, but I would love to visit.
Thank you so much. Uh,
Yeah.
so so nice to meet you, sister. And you from in Canada.
Yeah, I'm Canadian. But I live in Amsterdam in the Netherlands.
Uh, that's good. So,
Yeah.
how long have you been Cambly F as a teacher?
Maybe a year or so. About a year. Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah. Yeah. And what do you both do? What are
Uh,
your jobs?
actually, I am a student. I am a
Hmm.
diploma second year student. My department is physiotherapy.
Oh, very cool. Nice, nice.
Do you know physiotherapy?
Yeah, yeah, of course.
Yeah, that's good.
What kind of students do you specialize in?
Actually, it's a physiotherapy treatment is various treatment. Its treatment give us especially paralyzed people or any sports injured people and any pain.
Ah,
Pain
okay,
people like
cool.
neck pain, your posterior problem, your neck pain,
Mm, nice.
your arthritis, your bones pain. As a physiotherapy treatment, give a variety of treatment.
Hmm. Perfect. That's
And
great. Well, good for you.
uh,
Um, I'm so sorry. I have to go. I have a student who is calling for a class.
yeah,
But it was very nice to meet you. And good luck with your
okay,
studies.
okay, no problem, sister. I will call later, inshallah. Okay,
Okay,
Allah Hafiz.
sounds good. Bye bye.